Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to make these Mountain Dew Lollipops. Now this is a very simple, very easy recipe, and you don't need a mold to make the very basic lollipop. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. A special thanks to all the people who made the suggestion that I make these Mountain Dew Lollipops, and if you have a suggestion, please write it in the comments below. In a medium saucepan, I'm going to add to that 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of water, and a 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Now just take this over to the stove. We want to heat it up until it gets to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so when it reaches temperature, turn the heat off and we'll take it over to the workstation. Okay, so now that that has reached 302 degrees Fahrenheit, we are going to add the flavoring. Since we're making Mountain Dew, I have this jar of Mountain Dew syrup, which I made in another video, my Mountain Dew popcorn video. I've also used it in so many other videos. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon worth of this Mountain Dew syrup. And you can just put it in there, mix it up really good. And it'll melt in there. After that's melted in, what I'm going to do is divide this up into 2 different colors. Same flavor, just 2 different colors. So in a heat-proof container, I'm going to pour a little bit of this in there. About half, and one I'll color green, and the other yellow. Now I have a baking sheet here and it's lined with foil. I'm just going to spray it lightly with some cooking spray. So I'm just going to lay out 3 of these popsicle sticks. You can use any type of stick you like. One of them, I'm going to put a glob of yellow on here. And go about at least 1 inch down on the stick itself. And in that yellow, I'm going to put just a drop of green and see if I can swirl that around a little. And then this next one, I'll do green. Now, of course, if you have your own molds, you can use those. You can just take these, set these aside and let them dry up. I'm also going to try to fill one of these. And just stick one of your sticks through the hole at the top. Now all you gotta do is just let this sit until they've hardened up, and then you can serve them. And after your lollipops have sat out and hardened up, you can pull them off of your paper. It should be pretty easy to pull it off the foil. And you're left with a really nice lollipop. Just take that, set that aside. You can eat it right away or you can wait on it. It's all good. And this one I did a little differently than the others. What I did was I just stretched it out and just rolled it up by hand. Just something a little different. And now for lollipop pops. Not bad. And we can just clean up around the edges of that and it'll look even better. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna try our Mountain Dew Lollipop here. Just the very basic one, and we'll see how it tastes. You can lick it. It's good. It's like a hard candy, like a Mountain Dew hard candy. Give it a try. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Mountain Dew lollipops. It was a lot of fun making these. Thanks again to everyone who suggested I make these. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And be sure to click the bell notification so you'll be notified when I put a new video up. For right now, check out the videos I have off to the side. And as always, I'll see you next time.